Hello everybody. It's Ifya here, the Money Lady. So today we're going to talk about tax season. Tax season is coming up very soon. We're in November. Everybody's preparing for their taxes to be done, getting their profit and loss together, getting their W-2s together. Human Resources is going to be sending you your W-2s in order to file your taxes. Today we're going to talk about how to file your taxes correctly in order to buy a home. So let's do some of the don'ts. Do not do your tax return and try to get your most bang for your buck and get the largest return. Why is that? Because if you do a lot of deductions and you itemize a lot of things on your tax return, that is going to lower your net income. Your net income is what the lender is going to use to qualify you in order to buy the house. So take your taxes to your accountant, give them your W-2s and all your paperwork. Any deductions that you have that you can document throughout the year in case you get audited, that's all you need to give to your tax preparer. For my self-employed borrowers, make sure that when you turn in your profit and loss to your accountant and all of your expenses and your debts and your receipts and everything like that, you want to make sure that you are also not trying to get the biggest bang for your buck and get the larger return. You need to think about how much of my income that I make is going to count towards the purchase of the home. Let's use a simple example. If you make $100,000 in sales as a self-employed borrower and you do $50,000 worth of deductions, what does that make your qualifying net income? Your qualifying net income will go from $100,000 to $50,000, depending on how much deductions you make. Whether you do the Schedule C when it comes to the self-employment, or whether you do your 1099s, whether you're a self-employed person and a W-2 employee. A lot of people have two jobs these days. Make sure that you are filing your taxes correctly, and always in the back of your mind have, what is my net income going to be? I believe it's line 11 or 12 on the first page of the 1040. That's the number that we're going to be using. So when you're getting qualified for a loan, that is the number that you are going to give your loan officer, mortgage consultant, whoever is doing your loan. So that is the tidbit and the tip for filing your taxes whenever you do get your tax return. Thank you so much. And once again, if it doesn't make money, it doesn't make sense. You can always contact me at 443-226-3610. And please check out all of my socials, The Money Lady on YouTube, The Money Lady on Instagram, as well as www.stoprenting.biz. Thank you. Have a good day.